Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg sandwich Guyanese-style, updated. Toast 2 slices of firm white bread until golden brown, then melt butter and spread evenly. Fry 2 eggs gently, season with salt, black pepper, and powdered garlic, and fold or scramble to preference. Add a thin smear of pepper sauce, sprinkle flaky salt, and close the sandwich. Serve hot with a side of fried plantain or chutney. Beat eggs just until combined to keep a tender bite, not foam. Heat a skillet on medium-low and melt butter until it foams slightly, then add eggs. Stir gently or let set depending on whether you want folded or scrambled eggs, and season with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of powdered garlic. Cook until softly set, then remove from heat slightly early because carryover will finish them perfectly in the sandwich. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. It really helps. Quick recommendation. Automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling crisp after morning breakfast runs. It pairs surprisingly well with toast crumbs. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Spread softened butter on each warm slice of toast to protect bread from moisture and add richness. Place the cooked eggs on one slice, dab a bit of pepper sauce and sprinkle flaky salt, then top with the other slice. Press briefly with a spatula to help ingredients meld and warm through, but avoid squeezing so the eggs stay fluffy. Slice in half and serve immediately for the best texture and flavor experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.